Hey everyone, in this quick video, I'll show you exactly how Veo Profit Academy and its prompt engine help you create viral AI videos in minutes. Let's say you want to make a 30-second funny video where Yeti recommends Veo Profit Academy. You can use this system to promote any product, your own brand or affiliate offers by simply deciding how and where your brand appears in the video. It's super simple. Step 1, define your character. Step 2, create your story. Step 3, generate Veo 3 prompts to build your complete video. Now let's jump into the prompt engine dashboard. First, let's define our character. In this case, Yeti. You can choose from tons of pre-built animals like tiger, or you can define your own animal, or you can pick any of these like tiger, penguin, wolf, shark, or create your custom one. It's totally up to you. Then pick a style: friendly, expert, coach, you know, authoritative, professional. You can pick any style and then pick an outfit. I'll go with the friendly Yeti with casual outfits and then hit the generate VO3 prompt to generate the avatar. It will define the avatar for your VO3 video. Once your character is ready, hit the save button and move to the story creation. Now you can select your recently saved character or any previously saved character you want to create the story with. Here's our HSO plus brand setup. In quick mode, you can give the ideas or inputs defining your story, like what is happening in this video, possible scenes, which product or brand you want to promote and what it does, and where do you want this brand placement. Then generate the HSO plus brand structure with one click. If you want to make any changes to the story structure, you can. You can check hook, story narration, brand integration, offer, that is the call to action. And once you go through everything, once everything is finalized, you select the use this button and go to the next step. Now we are going to break down the complete story into multiple scenes. Since VO3 allows only 8-second long scene generation, we'll be dividing our story into multiple scenes based on the length of the video. Then hit the generate all scenes button and it will define each scene with details like action, emotion, location, continuity, and dialogue. You can see the complete story is divided into 3 scenes with all the details. If you want to make any changes, you can use the edit button. If everything is okay, then let's go to the next step. Here's the summary of each scene with details like action, defining what's happening in that scene, dialogue, defining what's spoken in that scene. And if everything looks good, then hit the generate button for the VO3 video prompts. And within a few seconds, it will generate the final prompts for each scene. Voila! VO3 video prompts are ready to use for VO3 video generation. You can check the dialogue for each scene. You can go through the complete prompt. It defines everything. Hey friends, want to go viral with wild AI animal chaos videos? Let's succeed. So copy the prompt for scene 1 and let's head to the VO3 dashboard for video generation. Let's paste our well-structured and defined video prompt from our prompt engine to the flow for the video generation and hit the enter button. And within a few moments, our scene 1 will be generated with the audio. See, it's ready. Let me play this for you.
Hey friends, want to go viral with wild AI animal chaos videos? Let's succeed and create unforgettable adventures together. Excellence awaits at Veo Profit Academy. Hey friends, want to go viral with wild AI?
Now let's go back and copy the prompt for scene 2 and paste it in the flow for video generation of scene 2. If you want to make any changes to the prompt, you can play with it. It's super easy. So once submitted, allow a few moments and our video will be ready with the audio. Wow, it's ready. Let me play it for you.
Here's my secret. Be bold, have fun, and always try something new. Together we grow. And Veo Profit Academy. Here's my secret.
Now we just need to repeat the same process for scene 3. You just copy it, paste, and submit. That's all. So meanwhile the scene is generated, let's save our story inside Prompt Engine for future reference. Make sure you're saving your story so that you can revisit it, and if you want to make any changes you can easily do that. Let's name it Yeti Veo Profit Academy. Okay, great. Scene 3 is ready now. Let's see how this one turned out.
Ready to unleash your creative chaos? Tap the link below, join the fun, and discover your viral moment with Veo Profit Academy. Excellence awaits. Ready to unleash your creative chaos?
Wow, that looks cool. Guys, you can check out all the stories here in the stories library. Not just that, we have a couple of more features like advanced builder for micro inputs like camera, angle, etc. Then there is thumbnail generator with preloaded templates to help you rank better with higher chances of standing out. Also, I'm not just going to hand over the prompt engine, but I have recorded the exclusive training which you can find here under the training tab. This is the training area where you learn how to use this powerful prompt engine for professional outputs, and a detailed guide to help you step by step with the complete process of leveraging Veo 3 to generate traffic, leads, and sales. Now, thanks for watching this video.
Hey friends, want to go viral with wild AI and chaos videos? Let's succeed and create unforgettable adventures together. Excellence awaits at Veo Profit Academy. Here's my secret. Be bold, have fun, and always try something new. Together we grow. And Veo Profit to unleash your creative chaos? Tap the link below, join the fun, and discover your viral moment with Veo Profit Academy. Excellence awaits.
Yo, Yeti, check out these moves.
Haha, Bigfoot, you went viral again.
Speaking of viral, have you heard about Veo Profit Academy?
Nah, bro, it's way bigger. Veo Profit Academy teaches you how to make AI animal chaos videos that blow up online.
AI animal chaos?
Wait, no camera, no editing, just prompts?
Yep, it's all inside Veo Profit Academy. They even have a prompt engine that does the work for you.
Sounds easier than ordering a coffee here.
So get ready, Yeti. This trend is super hot right now.
Oh yeah, I am in. Time to go viral.